When you first approach Mr. Belvedere, it's easy to overlook the origins of this house if you don't know its history. Located in northeast Seattle, this home began as a modest 1940s ranch, a typical piece of the city's residential fabric, and was reimagined not as a fresh start but as a continuation of a family's life and future. Rather than completely replacing the original structure, the architects chose to build from its existing foundation. This decision anchored the design in the familiar scale of the neighborhood, while simultaneously creating room for expansion. The main house now features a larger kitchen and a primary suite, organized thoughtfully with views to both the garden and surrounding context. One of the defining moves in this project is the decision to treat the site as a through lot, connecting the primary street frontage with a previously overlooked northern edge. At the rear, a detached accessory dwelling unit, or Dadu, was introduced. This secondary structure doesn't just serve as a garage or workshop. It frames a central garden court and changes how the entire property is experienced. The spatial strategy here is a quiet but significant one. Instead of clustering all functions under one roof, the two buildings work together. The garden court becomes a transitional space that draws you outside, visually and physically linking interior and exterior. Large sliding glass doors blur boundaries, letting daylight deepen into living spaces and encouraging a sequence of movement through the landscape. This relationship between buildings and outdoors was shaped in part by the owner's own experiences living in a traditional Japanese temple complex, where connections between pavilions, gardens, and paths are intentional and integral. Here, that influence contributes to a circulation pattern that doesn't treat the outdoors as an afterthought, but as a shared space that supports everyday life. Sustainability in this project isn't about chasing certifications. It's about cumulative decisions that affect performance over the long term. The house is fully electrified, supported by a 15-kilowatt solar array, and both structures are conditioned and heated with heat pump systems. High-performance windows and thermally treated wood cladding enhance thermal comfort while minimizing maintenance. Despite its relatively compact size, The main house is about 1,600 square feet with an additional 650 square feet in the Dadu. This design achieves measured efficiency. The combined energy use is verified at roughly 3,800 kilowatt-hours per year, a significant reduction compared to typical residential consumption in the United States. It's a reminder that scale and performance are closely linked when careful material choices and systems integration are at play. What emerges from these architectural choices is a residence that accommodates change. From daily routines to long-term shifts in family composition, the distributed program supports independent living, shared spaces, and seamless transitions. While rooted in a specific urban context, the design gestures toward broader questions of how homes can remain adaptable, resilient, and grounded in both place and purpose.